Assalamu alaikum. This is Tofail Haidar, ECC student for a semester. So we have a assignment to submit a software. We have decided to develop a URL shortener application based on PHP Laravel. So we successfully completed our task. So here is I am going to present our software. First of all, I want to introduce our feature, what type of feature we have in this application. So in this application, it's a simple URL or shortener application. So here I have some, and user can create a shorten URL from a long URL, then share to other person. And also when he create a URL shorten URL, he user can set access key like password or expiry date. And if he set password, then someone going to visit this URL, he must have to provide the secret key also. That's the main feature. And also we have additional some feature like when any user create his URL shortened application, and if someone visited his URL, he will get some earning from certain amount for per unique visitor. And also there have some referral option, user authentication or authorization system, and withdraw system. Here is the all list, we all described in readme file.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shadib Hassan. I have worked on the development document writing part. As you can see, all features are well described here. By reading this documentation, everyone will get the overall concept of our application features, user guideline and document, URL shortener application, features, QR code generation, sharing QR code, withdrawal system and payment disbursement, server requirement, installation, demo user and data, user roles and permission.
After login here, we have to use dashboard, and we see here visitors and withdrawals. In dashboard section, we can see here unique and which common, how much income for our unit income from referral. We can see visitors, and we see here visitors earning, and
Here comes the our main feature, URL shorten system. Here you can see we have some pre-populated data, demo data. So now we are going to create a real shorten URL, like a let's copy our GitHub link, repository link. So we are going to set any name like GitHub link. We can set any name here. It's a identifier, nothing else. And then we are going to paste our original URL, which is going to be shortened URL. So let's set any password like 1234, and then expiry date. If I want to set any, and status will be definitely have to be active. If we can also set inactive, that means when any URL will be inactive, then nobody can access this URL, shorten URL. Okay, let's create this. Okay, so here is our GitHub link name. So here is our original URL. So here is a shorten URL. So let's copy this URL. Already when I clicked this button, already copied this in our keyboard. So let's paste it here. We are going to visited our shorten URL. So here you can see here has a application domain and then a random string. So let's visit our. So as you can see, we have set a protection uh, access key. So I have to provide this access key if I want to redirect to the original URL. So I set 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's proceed this. Let's see. Already I visited to original URL. So here is the feature. If let's I change this protection, I don't want to set any protected access key. So let's remove this and save this. Now here you can see any access key. There is no any access key. So if I again I visit this URL, let's see. It will not ask for any access key. Direct redirect to our original URL. Here is the feature, and then let's we change the status. Now if we visit this again, look here I have the error showing error of URL not found. Here is our main feature actually. So then here I have also a QR code. If you scan this QR code, you can find the shortened URL also, and you can share to anybody to anywhere. Then he can scan this QR code and redirect to original URL. And then here is also statistics for again total unique user, how much balance he has, withdraw request with the processing, and here is at a glance statistics. And when he is a super admin, so he has some additional menu also like setting. Uh, he can set some setting for this application, and as admin he can see all the user list here. Now there have only 3 users, and also can add any new user, and any some as I had there I have also some additional feature